Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the Lonestar Speed YouTube channel. Tonight, we're out in Tomball, Texas at the Rudy's Barbecue Meetup. It's every second Wednesday of every month. So I'm here with a couple friends. We're just gonna show you what's around. I don't know what this video is gonna be, but stay tuned. A little Holden action. The whole parking lot in the back. Leadfoot gray, single cab. Maybe the future, guys. Maybe. Maybe hitting that something, not that. Not that. Down on the ground, big wheels. Working on it. And one. I'll take one of them. Oh wait, I got one. Would y'all be down for that? I'm not opposed to it. Comment below. One of the rare Mega Raptors. 6.7 diesel Raptor body.
What the hell?
And of course you got your red fire right. You gotta have one of them. This thing is massive. 20s. It's just the rim. I have no idea how tall those tires are.
46s maybe? 50s? So I've talked to the management a couple times.
Come on, subscribe. Come on, we gotta get one of these. We have to. Or maybe a red flyer. Possibly. I'm down with this too. There's his Instagram. Go follow this guy. I lived in Houston for almost 25 years. I've never seen one of these on the road. They're big YouTube vehicles, but right in my backyard, Northwest Houston, Texas. Give some credit. Maybe he's still trying to find a bumper. You never know. Still probably nicer than your Mega Raptor. That thing is nasty. Check him out. Hey, Street Speed, where you at? We got competition in Houston. Huracan Houston. But I'm pretty sure that's not a Huracan. This has got to be one of the cleanest Expedition swaps. 2016 F350 front end on 2003 Expedition back end. Painted tuxedo black. It's gonna be very hard to show you. A little bit of metallic in it. Probably the cleanest one I've seen. So we moved over across the freeway. Another car meet. I didn't know this one was going on. My truck posted up here on the hill next to my buddy Garrett's Jeep. Let me know if y'all want to see a video about this Jeep. He's down. Obviously he's down to get dirty at a car show, so if you want to see a video on that, let me know. I hope you can hear me over the cam. Open cam transport. Take a look at this. Pretty sure it ended a couple hours ago too. Another Holden. 2 Holdens in one parking lot. One. Look at that thing right there. Look at it. Wait, I'm pretty sure. I might be a little bit of foreshadowing, but it ain't gonna look that ugly. That's not a 2500 either. It's a 15.
Yeah, it's only 6 minutes.
Alright everyone, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this video. It's a little different. First time really out in public. But if you liked it, please give it a like. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000. If I can get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do something pretty big, okay? I promise. So, end y'all off for the end of the night. Got the 18 F-150 sitting pretty next to the 98 Sierra. Thanks for watching.